Yeah, Jane. My plan anyway. Oh, there's some ice in here, Jane.
Said caution.
Yeah.
Non-stop grinding. I'm hoping it was ice and not rocks.
Well, we went.
Two turns, just grind.
This was like a full-on race course that was just tucked with super G turns last weekend. It was beautiful. Okay, let's get to the lodge. I'm fucking tired. Oh, you know what? We're way below the lodge.
Oh.
We got to take another chair run up. Damn it.
Okay. You want to have lunch?
Yeah. Nice! Wow!
I left my lunch at the bottom, actually.
Okay, well, let's go down.
Can't buy food anymore.
Woohoo! She's such a good sport, it's awesome.
You're a lucky man, Garnet.
I am a lucky man.
Also, you bumped into